This is Alard item Y3719. It's a Mepaco vacuum mixer, all stainless steel. We have installed two brand spanking new SEW 7.5 horsepower Euro drives, 208, 230, 460 volt. Has pneumatic power discharge doors, a pneumatic power assisted lid, all gasketed of course for vacuum. It has spade door bottom end discharges with fresh gaskets. All the pneumatics and everything have been gone over. We're going to open and close the doors here for you just to show you how nice those work. And we'll let the cover down. Now, we were a little concerned about the safety of that big, massive, heavy cover up there. And I can tell you that even if you pull the, go ahead, let her down. If you let it down, it comes down slow. And that's with the valve. If you actually just pull the air hose off, it actually comes down even slower. And go ahead, let's pick her up. And it goes up very gently and slowly as well. Gary, go ahead and pull that air hose off the back. So even if the hose blows, it takes quite a while to come down, ever so gently. So that's how nice that works. It has a water makeup faucet on here if that's something you love. And as you can see, the drives and motors are, as I say, just installed new. It's all stainless steel, USDA food grade sanitary. Show you the inside here. It is, of course, a twin shaft ribbon blender. We have pressure tested it. We happen to have a vacuum tumbler in the shop that we're getting ready to go out, so we use the vacuum pump from that. This does not have a vacuum pump with it. We can offer one separately if you need one. And it does hold pressure. The lid settles nicely, and the gasket is fresh. And I mean, this machine is really a nice piece. It just cleaned up beautiful. Those brand new drives, you can barely hear them. Smooth as glass. They run nice and quiet, and nothing rubbing, nothing scraping, nothing bent, gob welded. A nice piece. All the way through. I don't know, you can see this side. there you have it. It's a Mepaco vacuum ribbon blender. Alard item 3719. Gary, go ahead and put the lid down for me, will you? Just
Lid down?
yeah. It is here at Alard Equipment in excellent operational, mechanical, and cosmetic condition. Available for immediate shipment.